Hi, I'm Kristina Wertz, and this is Danny Kirchoff, and we're from the Transgender Law Center. And we wanted to talk to you for a minute about the sad news that we've been hearing about lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender youth taking their own lives in the last week. Sadly, these stories aren't new, and they're not surprising, but there's been a lot of media attention around them this week, which is really important and gives us an opportunity to talk to young people about not putting up with bullying and not putting up with harassment. We shouldn't wait for life to get better. When we're in high school, it can be some of the hardest times of your life, facing discrimination, facing harassment, facing bullying, and you don't need to put up with it. The time to address bullying is now. And violence against lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender youth takes all forms. In fact, today I spent a long time on the phone with Sylvia Guerrero, who's Gwen Araujo's mother. Gwen Araujo is a young transgender woman from California who was violently killed almost 8 years ago. And Gwen experienced extreme bullying at school because of who she is, because of her identity as a transgender woman, and was constantly harassed by her peers. And her education suffered because of it, and her grades went down, and she had to drop out of school, and found herself in dangerous situations because of it. And Gwen's mom didn't know that Gwen had the right to be free of discrimination and harassment and bullying in school. And we're here to tell you that bullying based on your gender identity and based on your sexual orientation is against the law, and you don't have to put up with it.
So if you're an adult, be a mentor to LGBT youth. Reach out and make a difference in their life and provide them with support, because that can be the difference between life or death for an LGBT young person.
In fact, LGBT young people may be able to get mental health services before the age of 18. A new law was just passed, the Mental Health Services for At-Risk Youth Act, was just passed this week, allowing youth between the ages of 12 to 17 to get mental health therapy without parental consent if their provider thinks that that is appropriate for them. So if you find yourself in a situation where you're experiencing bullying or harassment or discrimination at school based on your gender identity or sexual orientation, don't put up with it. The time to act is now. You can give us a call at the Transgender Law Center, and we can help you strategize about how to deal with it, how to exercise your rights at school. You can call us at 415-865-0176. Thanks, and take care of yourself.